Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fork a repository on GitHub in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. First, go to github.com and log into your account. Now, search for the repository you want to fork, or open it directly if you already have the link. Once you are on the repository page, look at the top right corner. You will see a button called Fork. Click on it. GitHub will now ask you where you want to fork the repository, usually to your own account. Select your account. After a few seconds, GitHub will create a copy of that repository inside your profile. Now you will have your own version of the project, which you can freely modify without affecting the original repository. You can clone it to your computer, make changes, and even create pull requests later if you want to contribute back. That's it. You have successfully forked a repository on GitHub. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.